All right, guys, just got done tacking the floor. The floors are gonna look beautiful. This is a walnut floor. So we're just gonna tint the poly with walnut to just add the character and pop it a little bit. But you guys turned out great. We got our T-bar and everything ready to go in our roller. And yeah, we're getting ready to apply the polyurethane first coat right now. And then we're gonna grab some lunch. And then Noma and I will be back in about an hour and a half, 2 hours to apply the second coat of polyurethane. And it's gonna look great. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right, guys, we are coating the first coat. It's looking beautiful. All right, guys, I'm applying the poly with my small T-bar, doing the edge work first. It's going good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just got done. This is the second coat. It is finished. It looks absolutely stunning. The client's gonna love it. All right, guys, this is gonna do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.